Hey there, Kasim here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this video is brought to you by Dami. Dami, thank you for requesting this video. You're from London, you know yourself. Thank you for requesting this video. Now let's get set up first. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Apple store if you have an iPhone or Android. You go to the store and type in MT4. Type in MT4 and you can go right there and just download the MT4 app. Once you download the MT4 app, it brings you right here. Once you download the MT4 app and you go to settings, what you need to do is you need to just type in your name, your phone number, your email, and then you just go right here and also change this to 3000. Now once you have this changed to 3000, then what you want to do is you want to click on register, but because I don't want to put my information on the internet, I'll skip to the next one. Shows you this. You have Euro USD, you have GBP USD, you have USD JPY, USD CAD. These are all different tickets. These are all different currencies that you can actually trade and make money on. So you don't want to have a situation whereby you don't know anything about trading and you're just jumping in straight with your own money that you worked hard for. So it's better that you start with a paper trading account, and we'll just go. I hope you've been enjoying all the videos that I've been making so far, because I've been really enjoying doing these YouTube videos and putting content out for fellow traders, fellow people that are getting themselves set up with trading and stuff.